All right, today we're doing another Ducati lost key replacement. We're tasked with trying to make a key to this is a 2008 Ducati 848 Evo. So they sent me the dashboard cluster. They sent me the ignition lock. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the key for the ignition lock and then do the pre-programming. So I'll come back in a little bit. This came out of this came from up north. I want to say this came out of New York. All right, thanks. I'll come back. All right, this puppy's done. I had to put the plastic piece back on. They sent it with it. I had took it off in the earlier video because I was getting ready to start doing my programming and making keys. Here you go. On, off, steering bolt, park. Let's take it out of park. On, off. That's it. This is pre-programmed, so we'll start the bike. Really not much to say about this. Like I said, this came up, I think this came out of New York. You need my help, give me a call. I'll tell you what to send me, how much it's going to cost, how long it's going to take. I do have a nationwide mail-in service, so if you're not in my state, if you're not in Georgia, don't worry about it. Just take the parts off, do what this customer did, send it to me. Give me a few days, and I'll send it back to you, and you're ready to rock and roll back riding again. So, if you like my videos, like, subscribe, share, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.